only 8% of the world population achieve their goals. You can ask yourself, why is that? Most people don't really have clear goals that they actually work on a daily basis that leads towards achieving them. Today, I'm going to be showing you how do you get to achieve your goals using a 4 simple step system that I'm going to be explaining to you in this video. So let's right dive in. I'm going to be explaining a very simple system I've been using for the past 3 years on how to achieve these goals. Step 1, you need to set clear financial goals. The first thing that you have to do is to actually write your goals down. It might be in a piece of paper, a Google worksheet, Excel spreadsheet, whatever works for you, as long as you have it written somewhere. What is a SMART financial goal? A SMART financial goal is actually a goal that is clear, specific to what you want to achieve, measurable, you have a means to track it, achievable, you are working within your limits, and then realistic, you know you can achieve it, it aligns with your values, and time bound, meaning you have a clearly defined deadline, because a goal without a deadline is just a wish. Let's say, for an example, you want to save up for an emergency fund. So you decide you want to save 6 months worth of living expenses, which is about, let's say, $12,000. So a SMART goal could be, I want to save $1,000 a month over the next 12 months. Is it realistic? Yes, you can be able to do this looking at your expenses and monthly income. Step 2, you need to review your goals regularly. The first thing that you need to ask yourself is, why is it that you have to review these goals? One is so that you track your progress. It helps you to stay focused and be able to make adjustments as you go about achieving these financial goals. How do you then review these goals? So the first thing that you need to do is to schedule them within your calendar. How often? It depends on how busy you are. I normally have my reviews on a weekly basis. It helps me end my week with clarity and easy to plan for the next week. So you can set 10 to 15 minutes or an hour, depending on what is it that you're reviewing, what were the things that actually happened within that time period, if it's a month or a week. So you can use something like an app on your phone, spreadsheets like your Google worksheet or an Excel spreadsheet, or just plain paper and pen. Whatever works for you, as long as you are reviewing them, making notes on the things that you have done for the past period of your review. So the last thing that you need to do when you're reviewing your goals is to ask yourself key questions. To say, what is it that is working? What is it that is not working? So that you can then make adjustments towards your specific goal. And it helps you to improve on the things that needs to be improved. Step 3 is to reward yourself and celebrate your wins. What you need to be aware of is that you need to celebrate each and every milestone you achieve. Why is it that you need to celebrate your wins? So remember, you don't need external motivation to work towards your goals. So it keeps you motivated and you enjoy the process. It makes it fun. Who doesn't want to celebrate their achievements? There are 3 things that I want you to consider when you celebrate your goals. The first thing is to treat yourself, of course, within limits. So what does this mean? It means that maybe, for an example, once in a week you can grab something that you enjoy, maybe an ice cream or a dinner with your loved one. But you must not overspend. So you must plan for it. That's why it's very important to have a budget so that you see where your money is going. The next thing is to upgrade your life, but you have to do that within your limits. Look at it from this point. Things that you can have, but it doesn't really affect your budget, or anything that will work towards improving your life. For an example, you can upgrade your home office. If you're someone who normally works remotely, you can buy yourself a desk or an office chair, for an example. So you need to focus on something that actually builds you as an individual and doesn't break your bank balance. The last thing that you need to consider when you are celebrating your wins is to build experiences with your loved ones. So remember, life is all about experiences. I mean, what is it that you're living for. And financial resources are things that will help you achieve that. Why not start in the process of achieving your financial goals? Step 4 is to stay flexible and adapt. Why do you need to be flexible? I mean, life happens, pandemics happens, personal circumstances change. I mean, funerals, weddings, those are the things that shouldn't throw you off towards achieving your financial goals. It's very important to stay flexible and adapt to those changes. When you are flexible, it's easy to handle these unexpected challenges and it keeps your momentum going because you can actually adjust and make changes as you go along. Instead of abandoning your goal when you face these challenges or unexpected expenses, you have a way to reassess and come up with a plan to address these changes. Hence, you become flexible. And remember, progress is not linear. Make sure that you follow through and you never give up, no matter what happens. That is why we call it a system. What you just need to do is to assess your plan, adjust it, learn from your setbacks, and you will see results. Alright, so that's how you actually crush your goals every year using this 4 simple step system. Okay, so lastly, you can get yourself a free copy of my Google worksheet that I've linked in the description so that you can actually use it as a template for yourself or redesign something that actually works for you. Okay guys, so just to sum it up, remember, achieving financial goals doesn't rely on wishful thinking and external motivation. You must have a system that you use to set smart financial goals, review your goals, celebrate your wins when you reach milestones, and stay flexible and adapt to changes. If you found this video helpful, please share, like, and subscribe for more videos like this. And I would really love to hear how are you currently measuring your goals and how do you actually review them so that you see if you need to make adjustments. Let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so click here to see more of my recent uploads. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.